Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dailin. So for today's video guys, I have a lot of garage sale haul. O, diba? So today guys, I went to garage sale hunting and I have a lot of good find. I gonna show you all my stuff that I buy. So this one most of it is clothing and few uh what is that coat. This one guys. So this one all is clothes, and then this one all is clothes guys. This is and then this one two bag full of clothes guys, and it cost uh I spent $320 guys for all of them. Can you believe that? But it's okay because I find a good stuff over there. So in one house, they have a lot of clothes. Like for there's perfect for me as a reseller because I buy a lot of stuff. So this one guys, I'm gonna show you this one. This is a oh my god, can you believe that? This is a laundry by what's it called? Shell Seagull. Size medium for women. This is beautiful. And belted hooded uh fox fur hooded winter coat. This is beautiful guys. So this one still have a tag, see? I buy it for $12, but I can sell this for a good price, my guys. So look at that. And even I can fit for this, but it's long. But it's beautiful. Can you believe that? You can buy a good winter coat in garage sale just for $12, because if you buy this brand new it's very expensive. So I have one more. This one also, some of them they don't have any what's that, they don't have any tag because they take out the tag. So you know, if you buy something in garage sale, sometimes they take out the tag. So this one there's no tag, but I buy this for $4. So Devon and John size medium. So this is so nice. Look at that. For $4 guys, you can buy that in garage sale because uh before I always went to garage no Goodwill, because over there that's what I learned before in Goodwill to flipping. But now I learned something, that if you buy in garage sale is more cheaper. So just like this, $4 guys, it's very beautiful winter coat for women. So sometimes in Goodwill you buy stuff over there maybe like $10 below, or maybe $12 sometimes. So that's why it because today this time is summertime here, so it's very nice over here during summertime because have a lot of garage sale time. So I have a lot of stuff guys to show, but oh my gosh. And plus I don't know how to edit a video for now, so I will learn. So this one is $10. I buy this for $10 guys, but it's very nice and very I am not sure, sometimes I don't know about the brand. So this one is Colihan extra small for women. It's cute. Can you believe that? It's so nice. Mhm. I will try this sometimes, and I put also on my most of them it's fit for me. It's perfect. Extra small guys, small extra small fit for me. So this one is a Atleta XX small. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So no, you know how much I buy? It's only $6 guys. Ayan, may mga tag pa. Yung ibang mga, oh, I'm speaking English. Sometimes I forget. I forget I'm trying my best to speak English because over here I have lots of, because I'm living here in America, so I need to speak English. So I have lots of customer guys is English, so that's why I need to learn more English. So this one guy, $6. Can you believe that? It's very beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful, nice, nice color. It's a dark gray, and it's a style. See, look at that. So beautiful. So I love it, guys. I love selling clothes. I don't know why, but as you can see on my EB store, I already sold a lot of stuff in my store. That's why it's so exciting for me to sell clothes because I love it. I enjoy garage sale and then I enjoy selling clothes. So this one, for today's video guys, I have lots of good find like Atleta, Lululemon and all that. Oh my gosh. So I have a lot of stuff guys to show. So this one is Xerox pusher size medium. So this one I bought for $4 and it's beautiful. This is like a long sleeve dress turtleneck. Look at the long sleeve uh long sleeve dress turtlenecks. So this one is $4 only. I bought from garage sale. So all of them is from garage sale guys. So I have one more coat. So I have few coat. So this one guys is very beautiful. I love it and it's fit for me. Where is it? So this one Andrew Mark size extra small women's. So I buy this for $12. There's nothing wrong with it. It's very perfect condition, excellent condition, and it's very nice. So extra small guys, and it's very nice and beautiful here, fox fur hooded. So this is beautiful guys. Winter coat. So I don't know, but I can't really show nicely here in the video like whole body, but I will model it. I will model it guys. So oh my gosh, I have lots of stuff guys to list again. So I need to list and list and list and list and list in order to make money online. So this one guys is long sleeve, long sleeve, uh 1/4 zip. I think this one is the sweatshirt, the North Face. Oh, beautiful! It's a woman's. This woman's. So it's so exciting guys because I have lots of stuff to show. Oh my god! So this one is size 14 Iviva by Lululemon. It's size child's 14. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, the tag over there is $9 on Lululemon. So it's $9 guys. Can you believe that you buy for $9 Lululemon? It's a rare. Cause sometimes I went to garage sale. Sometimes they sell like $30, $40, just one piece like this guys. So this one is beautiful piece, dark gray, and then oh, it's like a cardigan wrap buttons. It's beautiful and it's cute. If you're a woman and you like fashion, you like this one. I love it. I love it. It's very clean. All these clothes is very clean. It's very nice. So this one, I'm not familiar all the brand of the clothes. Some of them I pick up clothes that I don't know the uh brand. So this one guys is a Marmot brand. So I buy this for $4. So I don't know if it's flippable, but I will try it. But this is a vest full zip uh how you call this? This is like a green menswear or something like that. Beautiful. It's very nice, guys. So that would be good sale. So this one, I don't know what is this, but I try it. No, I try to buy it. I don't know if it's worth it, but I think so. This one is Isabel. Isabel size large. This is like a bodysuit. I buy this for $6 because this is big. See, they have a woman's that they like this. Uh, yeah, it's long and it's very nice. It's like the thread is like Lululemon. The thing here. See, this is very nice. Excellent. Excuse me. Excellent condition. Uh, how you call this? Jumpsuit, something like jumpsuit. So this one is done, guys. I have more. I have more. So can you believe that, guys? I have two more bags that I need to show. So this one is a Lululemon size 6. I think this is like jogging pants. It's beautiful, guys. I sold few items like this color block. Like this is very nice. Can you see that? And it's fit for me. This one. It's so nice and beautiful. Oh my gosh. Maybe you like it. You can buy it. It's very excellent condition. So that's why I like garage sale because you can pick what you like very nice like excellent condition, something like that. So this one, I don't know about this. I can't find anything here. Like I can't find anything. What is the brand and what is the size? So I can sell this one. I'm not sure. So maybe I can have this one if it's fit for me, or I don't know what to do. But this is cute. This is cute full zip long sleeve sweater jacket. It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. You can see that camouflage dark. I'm not sure what kind of color this one. See, camouflage is very beautiful color and excellent condition. So I can't see no. I can't see no. Oh my god. So this one also is a Lululemon. Where is the Lululemon there? So this is the very expensive that I buy today. Can you believe that? I don't know, but I grab it. So this is Lululemon size 4. Can you believe how much is one, guys? $18. I spent $18 just piece of one piece like this. Yeah. Can you see that? Have $18 there. Did you see that? Yeah. This is nice. The other one, same. But I don't know how. But this is $18. But this is a different house that I went. So that's why maybe this one is size 4. This one is size 6. So this one is more cheaper, guys. Because this one I buy only $9. This one is $18. Can you believe that? This one. They are same, but an excellent condition. They are the same, but different sizes. The other one size 4, the other one size 6. So I don't know, but I can't believe it. I grab it. $18. I pay for $18. So I don't know. I gonna make something that I can flip it more than, so I can make money. We need to make money, guys. You know that. So this one I paid for $12. Athleta size 6. This is a black Athleta. I don't know how you call this, but this is nice and beautiful and excellent condition, and it's very nice. Can you believe that? And here is like a tapered tapered. So this is $12, guys. I bought $12 for this, but I know I can flip it more because it's very good, excellent condition. So I have few bra that I buy. So I don't know how many pieces this one. So I buy it. I don't know, but I sold a few bra already. So that's why I keep buying it. Um, It's like Lululemon, Atleta, something like that. So this is not expensive, guys. It's only $6 for this Atleta thing. So I sold few bra like this, similar like this, for 35 bucks, 40 bucks. So I try to pick up something like this also to see. This is size $6 only. See, you can see the tag in there. So it's a good find for me. This is the best find today. So this one is $4. This is Atleta Girl for girls. It's beautiful color. So a lot of girls buying this is a running bra or something, active wear. All this is active wear, guys. So this is cute and nice. Let's see. A lot of girls like bra like this, active wear bra. So this one is Atleta size 6. Oh no, what do you mean? What? Uh, I bought for $6, and this is big bra. So this is easy to sell, guys, because every time, every time I sell something, especially like if I listing something like uh, how you call that? Like oversize, like big sizes. It's um easy to sell, or how you call that, easy to sell, or moving, easy moving. Oh, guys, ay. So this one I bought for $6. This is Atleta also. So a lot of Atleta, Lululemon, size large for women's, and you have skirt and leggings already. Can you believe that, guys? Beautiful. So a lot of women like this one. So we will see. So I have a lot, guys. I love a lot. Still have a lot. Mostly is lily lul. How you call that? Mostly is I don't know. Is a leggings. Diba? Cute. Atleta leggings. XX small. This is like a jogger leggings. So I bought this for 14 bucks. See? Still have a tag. You don't take out. And this is beautiful and very nice. Tapered, tapered, and this is excellent condition. I only buy a stuff that excellent condition, guys. So I don't want to sell, and it's very used already. So I always pick up excellent condition, or if it's very cheap, I I grabbed some stuff over there today that it's only 50 cents. Can you believe that? You have a clothes 50 cents, but the brand is not too much like high-end brand, so that's why they sell it like 50 cents, but still very nice and beautiful clothes. So I picked some of them for Philippines. So this one is Atleta running shoe, running short, extra small. So there's no tag. I buy this. Oh, there's tag on there. So I buy this for $9 short, guys. Oh, Atleta short. Very nice and beautiful color. Very nice. So for $9, I will try it. Especially this time, it's summertime. So, excuse me. So this one is Atleta size 4. I bought, oh, beautiful. I love it. $10. I bought it for $10 and it's fit for me, guys. So maybe I will try this. I like to try sometimes. And if I like it, I I have it. This is very excellent condition. It's very nice. I bought it for $10, but I can flip it in a good price. And this one is Atleta, $10. I can't believe it. Most of them is $10, but you can sell online, guys, like a good price. Especially like leggings, it's moving this time because it's summertime. A lot of women need leggings for active wear. So my video, guys, I don't know how to edit, so I'm trying my best um to learn how to edit videos. So for now, just go straight. So Atleta size medium, all high-waisted. Oh, beautiful, guys. Can you believe that? It's beautiful leggings. There and there. And you see the price, $12. So it's very excellent condition, guys. $12 is fine for me. It's a good price. It's a little bit expensive for me, but it's okay because you can flip good amount of money. So there's more. Oh my gosh. So this one is, what is this? Oh, so this one Atleta. I didn't know this is Atleta. But it's like polyester. This is for uh maybe like girls. Girls. This is, I buy this for $5. Yeah. $5. Very nice color. This is for girls, not for women's, or maybe women's, but very small. Can't even fit for me, that one. So this one is Atleta. So can you see, guys? I have a lot of Atleta that I buy today. So Atleta is a good brand. So $10. This one is $10. Tapered bottom down there. A nice color. It's like a camouflage dark gray or black. So it's a good find, guys. So that one you can flip in a good money. In a good money problem. Next time I'm gonna make something like nice background. So I have lots of stuff over here. So this one, guys, example, I buy this for 50 cents because the brand is not too much high-end brand. I'm not sure, but can you believe that one piece of this is 50 cents? The brand is Susane Betpo, size medium, women's, and nice embroidered in the front. Can you believe that? It's beautiful. Oh, it's only 50 cents. Can you believe that? For that amount of money, I will try it. And it's good condition, excellent condition. So, it's a good find. And I have a lot of things here. And this one also, I know every pieces, I know how much because I can't believe it. I find it for 50 cents. This is a Maurice's brand. Maurice's brand, it's a cardigan. It's like a cardigan. It's a cardigan. Beautiful color. Very nice, guys. I don't know, but it's hard to show in the video because not too much Nice there. And then this one, I'm not sure. Oh, what is this? This Athleta? So this one, I don't know the brand. I don't know how to flip this, but I don't know the brand, but it's nice leggings. It's nice leggings, guys. So this one is 50 cents that I buy, but nice color, nice leggings. So I don't know if I can flip this one, but I will see if I can. So this one is free. This one is free, guys. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I will give this to my neighbor. This is for kids. Ah, cute. This is cute. Just for kids. So I just grab it because it's good for winter for kids. So I have a neighbor, guys, that they can use it. And then this one, can you believe that? 50 cents Columbia size small woman's button down shirt. Button down shirt. So this is, oh, they even have a tag over there. 50 cents, guys. So if you're a woman, you like a Columbia color white, is beautiful. Can you believe that? It's very nice for formal attire. And it's very nice, excellent condition. So why not, right? For 50 cents, why not? So this one, 50 cents also. I have few 50 cents that I grab it. This is Woven Heart. I don't know. I'm not familiar on that brand. So Woven Heart extra small women's. And this is a polyester cardigan. I don't know how you call it like this. Woven? Mm-hmm. This is a cardigan, guys. So maybe I can flip this. Also, because a lot of people need it during winter. So by the way, guys, during December, I have a lot of sold items because that day or that month is a lot of people buying. So this one, guys, also I buy this for 50 cents. The brand is Naxros. Naxros 2XL women's beautiful piece of blouse. I don't know how you call this thread, but it's beautiful and nice. Excellent condition, so why not? For 50 cents, I will grab it. I'm sure I can flip this for good money. Even it's not too expensive, but it's okay because I spent only 50 cents. And this one also, I don't know what is this. Athleta? So Athleta, guys, Athleta extra small. This is beautiful. So I buy this for $6. This is a nice blouse, Athleta. Have a style in there. There. Beautiful. In excellent condition. So I buy it. So I don't know this one. I buy it because it's 50 cents. I don't know if I can flip it or going to Philippines. Oh my gosh. I have a lot of stuff. So tomorrow I will list and list and list and list. So this one I Athleta extra small women's long sleeve shirt. You know how much? $9. $9. I bought for $9, but you can flip in a good money for this because it's a running or active wear. So a lot of people buying active wear, guys. So I'm not sure, but a lot of people buying it. So this one also is a long sleeve shirt. I buy this for $8. Women's Athleta size large. So look at that. They even don't take the tag. Still there. Camouflage. Very nice. Excellent condition. Everything is excellent condition, guys. So it's a good find. So I have one more socks over here. So maybe this one, I will finish this one. So I have a lot, guys. So this one is Athleta extra small long sleeve hooded sweatshirt. Yeah, this is called sweatshirt, guys. Uh, this is I bought this for $8, long sleeve hooded, and then nice style. Nice style in here, and then even over here they have a style very beautiful in real life. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have more. So this one is a Nike full step. Oh no. Oh my gosh. So this one is a Nike uh hooded long sleeve sweater. Color navy blue. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Mm-hmm. So beautiful color. So I bought this for $4. There's $4. It's a good find for that, guys, because Nike is a nice one. So only one left. Oh, there's one more. So this one is, what is this? Athleta also. Oh my gosh, this is Athleta. It's so cute, Athleta, guys. So this one is size. Wait. This one is Athleta size small. I bought it for $12. Can I try it? Yeah. Oh, diba? Oh my god, can you believe that? It's good for me. That's beautiful color and it's very comfortable. See, and it's nice and fit for my Lululemon Define jacket. It's beautiful color, guys. So it's a good find for $12. Nice color. And the brand is Athleta, so $12, guys, is beautiful color. So we will see. Sometimes if I know how to edit video, I will show how what is my sold item. So you will see what uh what clothes that I sold already. So I have lots of sold items, guys, but I don't know how to edit a video. So I don't know, but I will try my best to know how to edit the video. I'm just starting my YouTube. I'm just starting my YouTube channel because everyone said you need to do it because you are a business owner. You are an entrepreneur, so you need to promote your um, business. But even though I didn't promote my business, a lot of people buying, guys, but sometimes we need to do it to oh my god, I like this. Nice color. This is Athleta size small. This is a long sleeve long sleeve dress. Long sleeve dress. It's a good nice color, guys. Size small and it's fit for me. Oh my gosh. I will try this before I listing it. I try this because it's nice color. So I'm done for today, guys. I'm done for today for all this uh all this garage sale haul. So this is for today, guys, and this one I will do this in the next video because it's too much already. So That's it for today, guys. I don't know if you can comment below if it's worth it, how much I spend and how much I make money for all these clothes, because this one I know it's worth it, because every time I went to garage sale, and then sometimes I spend money in garage sale like $100, but for one jeans that one time I went to garage sale, and then I spent 100 more than in that garage sale, but I have like three three trash bag clothes full of clothes, and then I list all the jeans. I have lots of jeans that I find on that garage sale. I didn't know that you can flip a jeans in a good money. So one time, uh, I have a jeans that sold for $70, and the brand is Rock Revival. I didn't know the jeans is worth it. So during the time, that's how I learned as a business entrepreneur, that you need to learn more about the strategy. So even I sold also a billionaire jeans that I buy for $20 in the garage sale one time, and then the brand is good brand and it's excellent condition because it's brand new. So I sell it for more than $100. Can you believe that? So sometimes you don't know how much you pay and how much you flip the money. So sometimes I know now that I am looking for a good uh brand like jeans something. Oh, by the way, I have a few jeans here in this bag. I have few jeans here in this bag, and it's different. I'm not familiar of um the the brand, but I know it's worth it because it's very nice and excellent condition. You can see if it's worth it or not. So now I know. So it's over here, guys. So I will do in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So if you want to support my channel, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you on my next video.